What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Darkseid for the Justice League. Let's begin in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side, draw a curve that goes up, and then we'll bend that out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up and then bending that out. Now I'm going to go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, curve this in and then up, go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, let's step in, draw a half circle, coming down and just pulling that up on the inside. Let's add a fold along the inside of each eye. Starting on the left, curve this down and bend that out. Now we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the nose. We start on the left, curve the nose, coming down and then up. And then we'll step up and draw a short curve, going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left side, curve the mouth going up and then back down. And then we'll add a bracket around the outside corners of the mouth, stepping out, go around and then in. I'm also going to add a fold along the outside of the nose. Starting from the top left, step down, curve out, and then down, aiming towards the corner of the mouth. Now I'm going to go back and add some wrinkles across the brow and the mouth. Let's start on the left side, curve this out, and then up, step out. Just going to draw 2 more. Let's do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to add some wrinkles across the mouth. Starting in the center, start with a short line going up. I'm going to work our way out and up on the left side. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move out and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the brow, let's step out, draw a straight line, coming all the way down towards the jaw. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. And then we'll connect the jaw with a curve. Starting back on the left, come down in the middle. Just going to round this out, go out and back up. Now let's add in that armor. Starting from the top of the head, we're going to step down, curve this down and then in. Line this up on the right. Do the same thing. And draw a straight line coming all the way down, leaving a gap along the bottom. And they'll trace that curve coming down and then into right about there. Let's add 2 straight angle lines coming up and in directly underneath the mouth. Close off the center with a straight line. And then we'll add a little bit of detail. Halfway down the side, curve down and then in. Let's go to the inside, leaving a gap in the center, step over towards the left, angle down and out, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to move back up and close off the top of the head. Let's connect the sides with a half circle. Starting on the left, go up, bend that in, just going to round out the head, go across, and then down on the right. Let's add those covers on the side of the head. Start from the top left, angle down and out, line this up on the right, and pull this straight down to right about there, and then we'll pull that down and in toward the side of the head. Now we want to accentuate the brow, so let's add a fold along the top. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve this up, and then bend that out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's add a few more wrinkles inside the face. Starting underneath the eye, curve this out and then down on both sides. Go to the outside, go out and down. And then we'll add some wrinkles across the top of the head, starting from the left brow, go out and then down, step out, draw a shorter one, and we'll add one on the right side. And I'll add some across the top of the head. From the middle, go over toward the left, go out and then down, step over, draw a shorter curve, and we'll add a couple more bending out towards the right. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right side, just bring that down towards the same height. And then from the hips, we're going to draw two straight angled lines coming down and in towards the middle. Just pulling that in, and then go up on the right. Let's draw the top edge of the belt. From the left hip, we're going to step up, curve this down, and then back up. And then we'll add some detail inside the belt. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, angle down and in, do the same thing on the right, step out and draw that again. Let's move up to the top of the body on the side, angle down and in. Now I'm going to connect the inside with a half circle, going all the way around and then back up on the right. Now you want to trace this out along the top, stepping up on the left, coming down and in, and then we'll trace out that half circle. Let's go to the bottom in the center, draw a straight line going up, angle up and out towards the left and right side. Let's add some texture along the side of the body. From this point, angle down and out, leave a gap, draw that a couple more times. Going back to the inside, let's step in, curve this out and then down, step in and draw that again. Let's add some texture inside the space. We're going to connect this point to the outside with a straight angled line. Let's go back to the left side, step down. I'm just going to repeat this pattern coming down. I'm just going to straighten this out as it comes towards the middle, and then we'll angle this out towards the right. Let's go back up to the top, angle this up and in, just working our way out towards the side. Now we're going to move down and add those flaps. Let's start over on the left side of the belt, curve this down, then in towards the middle, bend this out and up on the right. Let's go out to the hips, draw two straight angled lines coming down and out. And we'll tuck this in behind, coming in and then bending that up. And we'll add some texture to the outside flaps. Stepping up, just follow that same curve coming in, and then we'll just repeat this all the way up towards the top. And we'll add some texture to that center panel. Starting from the outside, angle down and in, back up, leave a gap, and then work our way down towards the bottom. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath those flaps, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up on both sides. Now we're going to go back to the left and round out the top of the foot. Starting from the outside, curve this up. We'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we'll close off the outside of the leg. From that bottom point, step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's go to the top of the foot and draw two straight lines going up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of that outside line, angle down and out toward the side of the leg. Go to the inside line, angle down and in. And then in between those 2 points, step down, draw another straight line going across. Let's move back down and add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, curving in and then out. Close off the end with a bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom curve of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend that up around the bracket. Step down, and down and up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, up, and just pull that in towards the top of the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. And just bend that back in towards the same height we have on the left. Now I'm going to bend the armor coming in and then down on top of the thumb. Just pulling that in, and the same thing on the right. Now from that top point, I'm going to step in, curve the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's draw the bottom edge of the armor, starting from the top of the thumb. Curve this down and then back up on the outside. And then we'll add some texture across the armor. Starting on top of the thumb, I'm just going to follow that same curve, going up and then out, step down, draw that 2 more times. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with the top, leave a gap, draw that 2 more times. And that's pretty much it. There's Darkseid from the Justice League. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.